The first asphalt roads were built 4,000 years ago in Babylon, yet today's mix is engineered at 300 degrees Celsius to flow like lava. Modern asphalt isn't just tar and rock, it's a precise blend of 5 to 7% bitumen wrapping 93% mineral aggregate, tested to withstand 20,000 vehicle passes per day. Since the 1970s, mixtures now include recycled tire rubber and even recycled asphalt pavement, cutting landfill waste by over 3 million tons annually. Under a microscope, bitumen behaves like a visco-elastic solid, meaning it softens in summer yet resists cracking at -30 Celsius. Laser-guided pavers spread it to within 5 mm thickness tolerance, while steel drum compactors hit target density of 96%, locking out water that would freeze and shatter the surface.